Welcome to Factory Vision Channel. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process.
All right, make sure it's secure.
Yes, got it.
Looks good, take it away.
Cigarettes are counted and arranged into groups of 20 by automated mechanical separators. Metal fingers and pushers organize the cigarettes into 2 rows of 10.
Completed cartons pass through a cellophane overwrapping machine, similar to the pack wrapper but scaled larger.
Underweight or overweight cartons
Proved cartons pass through a metal detection tunnel
to ensure no foreign metal objects are present in the product.
Inspected cartons arrive at the case packing area, where they're prepared for bulk packaging. Mechanical arms arrange cartons into groups of 30.
Automated loading arms pick up the cartons and lower them into shipping cases. The cartons fit snugly. Once
Cases that don't meet weight specifications are automatically rejected and sent to a manual inspection area.
This conveyor delivers approved cases to an automated palletizing zone, where a robotic palletizer operates.
Transcription. Completed pallets with 48 cases move on powered pallet conveyors to a stretch wrapping station.
Keep an eye on that one. Noted. We have 3 pallets for you today.
Okay, let me just check the manifest.
Okay, bring it a little more to your left. Good.
और सब दे सिर के देने थे मैंने कहा कि एडमिन सोर्स सब कुछ डिटेल्स पे ये बात से भी लोन के दो ना बातें हैं अलो के देख लर सा कनी से
Unit 7, report status on line B. Over.
In the materials warehouse, large bales of cigarette paper arrive. A forklift operator unloads them. Each bale is wrapped and labeled. Rolls of aluminum foil for cigarette pack inner liners arrive at the receiving dock. The foil comes in large master rolls, each weighing several hundred pounds.
Transcription. In the filter materials area, workers receive shipments of cellulose acetate tau.
Tăng tên phỉnh Vương thâm thông hồn nữ thước thòm thảm liên thảm năn nỉn Chẳng mũ tin cản tỏ rang rờ Nông tin tổng tông thản đẳng sạch phỉ
Attention all units, we have a situation at loading dock 3.
Which
Safety procedures, quality standards, and production processes are essential.
នៅជើងទឹកបណ្ណាកេងដោយជឿញបោកស្ដាយគូគុំណាគឺទៅគ្រូសអានស្ងព្រងដេញពីអបទណ្ដាដីមួយរីភើព្រឺសំបុចជំនួដំ
Compliance is critical for maintaining manufacturing licenses and avoiding penalties. Transcription. The factory's compressed air system supplies pneumatic power throughout the facility.
Если в средней истории сумеш будет связь с полной связью перед 70 месяцев стыку.
Our ERP system manages materials, production schedules, and inventory. Cybersecurity is key to protecting our data. Advanced planning systems optimize production sequences and minimize changeover time between different products. Regular equipment maintenance prevents breakdowns that would disrupt warehouse and production operations.
Hi, this is logistics calling to confirm pickup of shipment 742. Can you provide an ETA for the driver?
The factory's receiving office processes paperwork for incoming material deliveries. Clerks in yellow polo shirts
उसकी सही मेंटेनिंग अधेरी स्थिति लगते क्या एक महसी भेंदेगा सच चलो कमोती न सही है केक बाबांस अपने सर ने काटना तो ये नेकी धोवेशन से एक दांचे
Partit di Kandowin, in unit and Telmbiteli, Tonslatek Odan Kautumishan Pantake. Media Krukan Timulang Irrigation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.